Okay, I can see that you guys already completed with project month one and project one. Okay, so today we'll create a fresh start with Python basics, what required for data analytics. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So I hope people have already knowledge regarding Python. So I'll go to the basics so that you can easily understand at least. Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay. So you guys all know that Python is a high level language. Okay. But you can simply, it's very simple and readable. Okay. Apart from this, nowadays in data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, web development, everywhere Python played a like huge role to contribute. Okay, but why in data analytics we pick Python as useful? Okay, so Python is a very strong language. Apart from this, Python have lots of powerful libraries that can help you to execute all the things. You guys know regarding pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, scikit-learn. These things is done. I think these things is not done. I can see the syllabus. I think this is pending. Okay, we'll discuss it one by one, but not today. In today, we'll learn basics of the Python that required in our work. Okay, so I'm discussing that in Python you have lots of library that can help you to do whatever you want. Okay, uh, there is a lots of support from data manipulation, visualization. You can do anything. Apart from this, you easily create a such a big model using machine learning and implement it. So it's a very easy things. We'll learn one by one. Okay. So uh, you all know that I'm sharing my screen and writing so that you can easily see this and able to understand. Okay. So today's like session 13. Session 13 from I'm picking, that is regarding Python basics for data analytics. So first we have to talking about variable. Okay. So you all know that variable is storage the data in your memory. Okay. Let's suppose if you are defining any name and defining in age. Okay. So the name should be stored in string. Okay. Like anything written in alphabetically. So this is the variable. If you're talking about data type, there are lots of data type are there. First come into integer, okay, that we call int. Example 5 is a int. So it's used for counting the IDs, okay, counting anything. Next is float. So float for which is in decimal. Let's suppose uh, I can write 3.14. Okay, so it's a float number, numerical data. Next, if we talking about string, okay, so everything which we are writing, so basically it's a string. So in short form, we can uh, tell it string. So let's suppose we are writing here welcome uh, to data analytics class, analysis class. So this things is in a string. Okay, Next important data type, if we're talking about, that is boolean. Okay, so if anything, if you are defining that is true or false, it's giving you the output. Okay, so in short, we can tell it in boolean. Okay, it either be true or false. Okay, so this giving you the flags. Next is list. Okay, so list giving you the collection of items. Okay, so let's suppose I have certain data, one, two, uh, three. Okay, so this is the collection of items. So you can using list to showcase this. Next, if you talking about tuple, tuple. So tuple is like immutable collection. Okay, if you are writing one two, so it's a tuple. So if I am giving this kind of example, okay, so I'm writing one and two in a bracket. So it's a immutable collection. Okay. We'll discuss it in details later. Now complete the data type. Next that is required, that is dict. Okay. So it's basically help you to key value storage. Okay. You heard it right. Key value storage. Let's suppose I'm giving an example here. You have the data A. Okay. And you store like that. So for this you have to write in dict. Okay, so we can easily store key value storage. So this is the data type we can use in Python. Okay, now moving to a little bit like how we can write a list, how we can do a tuple. Okay, if you talking about in depth, I'm writing a query. Let's suppose I'm talking about list. Okay, so let's suppose I have some student marks. Okay, marks. So I can write like that. There is certain number, 85, 90, and 88. Okay, and I'm writing here that is marks dot append. Okay, and I'm writing here 95. Okay, and I am printing uh, marks, sorry, print uh, marks and in 1. Okay, in 1. So you all know that it starts from 0, 1 and 2. So what is the output we are getting? So we are getting output as 90. Okay, so in this way list is basically working. So you guys are aware of it. I'm just giving a overview so that you can recall or rehydrate all the things. Okay, next, if you are talking about tuple, so I'm writing here the coordinate, C-O-R, what happening? C-O-O-R-D-I, coordinates. Okay, so I'm writing some decimal number here. Let's suppose 10.5 and 20.4. Okay, so if you print this, you know that how the output is coming, so you can easily do it. If you are talking about dictionary, okay, if you talking about dictionary, Dictionary, okay, so let's suppose here I'm pulling some student's name, student. Not like that, I'm writing here is the student equal to uh, I can write name here and pull any name. So I'm pulling Vivek, Vivk,
Yeah.
and I'm writing here the age. I don't know what's your age. I'm randomly typing 25.
24.
Okay. Uh, and we want to print it. Print student, student, student. And if I write the name, okay, name. So what is the expected output? So expected output is naming Vivek. Okay. So output is Vivek. So in this way, dictionary is working. Okay. So this is the simple thing. I hope you guys will understand what is list, how it work, what is tuple, what is dictionary. Next, if next that is required. Next, that is required for you guys. That is some condition and some loops you have to understand. Okay, it either use here, or if you guys are going to any development sector, it's also help you. Okay. Next, if you are talking about control statement. Okay, so they are actually coming condition, CONDIT, condition, condition and loop. So here some loops are important in Python. First, if else is required, for loop is required, while loop is required. Okay, so I'm writing some code and you guys are telling the output. Okay, so let's suppose I have some age. Let's suppose I'm writing here 18. Mm, I'm writing if the age uh, is giving greater than equal to 18. Okay, and I'm writing here print adult, print print adult, and here I am writing else, and I am writing here print minor. So in this way, you can write if else statement. Okay. So if you are getting this kind of uh, whatever you want to do in loop statement or condition statement, you can write. Okay. So this is the example of if else. Okay. Run it in compiler in home. Now, if you are talking about for loops. Okay. If you are talking about for loops, let's suppose I am yeah, we can write for I in range. Okay, I'm giving in some range. That is 5, not 55. And I want to print I. So what is the output in I? Tried it. Okay. And if I talking about while loop, I hope you guys are aware of these loops. Okay, I just simply just rehided your uh, knowledge. Okay, so I equal to 0. While loop we're discussing. So while I less than equal to not equal to less than I less than 5, and if I want to print I value, not only we can stop here. I am writing one line. I am giving it I is equal to 1. Okay, so you all know what is actually happening here. So in this way, basically loops are working. Okay. uh, Next, some function are required in Python. We are discussing with it function. So you all know that reusable of blocks of code is called function. You okay? So if you need some changes, you don't need to write again and again so all the things. So just go to function, and whatever you want to change, you can implement the things. Okay. So function. Okay, I'm writing a code. Let's suppose define add its value is a and b. Okay, a and b, and I want to return value, return uh, a plus b, a plus b. Sorry guys, return. Okay, return a plus b, and if I want to print add 5 comma 3 5 comma 3 uh, and uh, yeah, this actually I want. So what is actually the output? You all know the 8 is output actually coming. Okay, so this is the function we can easily use, but I know function is not required for data analytics. Okay, so this is the thing regarding some Python that is required for us. Okay, apart from this, if I talking about Python, you NumPy. Okay, NumPy is one of the there is some separate class, but I'll giving you little bit overview so that you can understand. NumPy is the one library that can help you some numerical operation. Okay, uh, pandas is also some things you can create here. Any like a CSV file, you can manage anything using here. Okay, so I'm writing a code regarding numpy, and how you can install numpy. You all know you have to go command prompt and you have to write pip install, and numpy automatically you can download whatever library you can want. You follow this procedure and it's automatically downloaded. Okay, uh, okay, numpy. So for this, you all know that first we have to define the libraries. Okay, so for this we have to write import numpy as np. We're not writing again and again, that's why we are defining this. Okay, so here I am adding some array concept here. So I'm writing array is equal to numpy dot array. Okay, and we are writing here the value that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and we are uh, now print the value of array arr dot I want to uh, it mean value. Okay, so you all know the mean value is what it is 2.0 we are getting. So in this way we can uh, do the numpy also. Okay, we'll discuss it later in depth, but today I told you is the basics regarding the Python, so I am giving you the overview. At least those who are not knowledge, at least they can understand. Okay, okay, now if I talking about pandas, so Panda is also an important Python library that can help you to create a CSV file, manage anything, mean, mon, median, whatever you want, you can do this. Okay, so let's suppose I am create a code so you can understand. So same way you have to import this file also, import pandas. Give me a moment. So recording is started. Yeah, recording is started. So yeah. So we have to import the library. So import pandas as PD I am writing. Next we are working on some names. Okay. So I'm writing is equal to data is equal to let's suppose we have uh, the name uh, and I want to write some name here. Okay. So um, randomly I am writing some name here. Let's suppose Harry. Okay, and I'm writing the name, one of the name is Somu. Okay, Somu. And I want to add score also. Okay, so score is C-O-R-E, score. And here we are defining the score of these folks. So I'm writing 85 and 90. Okay. Okay, this complete. Next, we are calling the data function. In short, we are writing df. Okay, df is equal to pd. That means panda dot. I'm here writing data frame. Okay, and in where we are defining data. Okay, data. So if you are now print the things, the whole the things you are getting. So in this way, pandas is working. Okay. Apart from this, when we are discussing regarding the things, we will discuss like how describe what is head. Okay, what is giving like score, mean, what the things we will discuss it later. Now, here one important thing is visualization. Okay, data visualization is also important. In previous class, you guys shows me is your work, that is you created the dashboard, and some of the folks I see they are showing. In your batch or in which batch I don't know, but they are showing some visualization technique and how we can do. So you all guys know that using Matplotlib, Seaborn, okay, you can create any visualization. It can shows in a better way. Okay, so for this if I talking about matplotlib, okay, we'll discuss it later, but I'll giving you overview matplotlib. So if you are working on matplotlib, you have to same way you have to define. Okay, import uh, dot matplotlib dot if I working on plot, okay, so I'm writing py plot. Okay, py plot or as plt we have to define. Okay, there are lots of things. So here I am using plot, that's why using writing plot. Okay, next I have to like write plot plt dot plot. Okay, and if I want to give some random number, okay, so I want here I need 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and another I want uh, that is 4 5 6, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, and I want to give some title name also. Okay, so for this I have to write plot dot title. uh, let's suppose I am writing simple plot. Okay, and at the end I want to showcase my work. Okay, so I'm writing plot dot show. Okay, so in this way, this is the whole process of using a simple matplotlib query. If you type this, it's also automatically gives you the visualization tool. You can see in graph like bar, whatever it is. Okay. Okay, if you are talking about Seaborn, it's quite similar to it. Okay, Seaborn. So Seaborn, you all know that it's a visualization tool. So how we can write to visualize the thing. So same way you have to import. Okay, import Seaborn as SNS. Okay. Next, here one thing is coming, that is hist plot, histogram. We'll discuss it later, but first see it. Uh, SNS means seaborn dot uh, hist plot, and here I am writing df dot the score I want to pull. Okay, so here I have to write score, 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 and if I write plot dot show, show and pull the data, it's automatically coming. So this is the basic overview of the Python. Okay. Apart from this, anything is missed? which is required for data analytics. So I'm discussing about variable, list, tuple, dictionary, control, like a console statement, function, numpy, pandas, matplotlib. Okay. Um, yeah, this is the main things you have to understand. Using it, you can uh, do anything. Okay. Give me a moment. I'll like just checking if anything is pending. Yeah, this is the basic things, okay, regarding the data, Python basics of the data analytics. Next day we'll learn EDA and Pandas, Seaborn, okay. But from today I'll giving you little bit overview so that you can easily understand of this, okay. So you are getting the overview how actually it's work, okay. But in NumPy, there are multiple array are working, okay. So if you want to like if you write NumPy dot, like I'm giving an example so that you can understand. So I'm talking about array in NumPy, okay. This is a simple concept, array in NumPy. So you all know that a NumPy array, it's a table of the element, okay, usually the numbers, okay. All of the same types, sometime the positive integer in NumPy, you can see the number, dimension, array, all the things is there. If I write a code, so how it looks like, we can see, okay. Import NumPy, okay. So always you have to define np, and here I am writing an array. So I'm writing np dot empty, empty, and we're writing 2 comma 2, okay. And I'm giving here the data type also, data type, that is int. Next, if I want to print this, okay, print, we can write like that, print in double quote. Where is the forward slash? Yeah, backward slash. Uh, n matrix, 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 a. And if I write, and if I pass the value of a, okay, and same way we can write the b's value also. B is equal to numpy, in numpy np dot empty, 2 comma data type, typ, data type d type. It's also defined int, and I'm writing, I want to print this, so you have to write here uh, matrix b and forward slash n and comma b. So after writing the two things, you can like here you can they are giving some output, okay. So if I uh, uh, want to know this matrix value, so it's giving you a random number, okay, and this is also giving you a number, okay. So this is the things we can play with different type of zero shape, we can working on a different type of operation of the numpy. We'll discuss it in next day. So in this way, we'll learn some addition, multiplication. This is the things. Uh, in NumPy also there is a called indexing. Okay, so indexing is the basically what I can like using an array you can create a index. Okay, so in this case you can see like you can understand that it's a slice of the view of the view, okay, of the copy of the array that can return the index array. Okay, it can gives you sometimes to minus to positive value also. uh, this is the things, and one more important things, there is an also concept regarding broadcasting. I'll discuss it. uh, Oh yeah. So this is the I thought this thing is much more enough for Python. Okay. So if you my humble request to everyone, guys, I hope this concept is clear for everyone. In you have the like compiler, go to compiler and create a little bit demo and work on it. Okay, so that you can easily understand. And if anything is missed, you guys do practice so that you can understand the things. Okay. uh, so this is the things regarding Python. Okay. Okay, if I talking about your project. Okay, so this is the month 2. Okay, so you guys are completed with month 1. In month 2, you have to do a project regarding the customer segment using the clustering. Okay, so there is a clustering concept, we'll discuss it. Okay, in project 2 you have to do project month 2. So you have to do see customer segment segmentation using clustering. Okay, in Python. So here we are using a k mean cluster. Okay, that can help you to segment customer based on the behavior demographical things that can help you to figure out. Okay, uh, yeah, this is the things. So here we'll learn one by one. First, you guys are aware how to clean the data set. Okay, uh, how you can clean the data set. We can use this concept. Next class we'll learn how to we can deal with Python and NumPy. So we'll do EDA, that is exploratory data analytics. We can do normalize our data scale. Okay, after doing all the things, we can apply the k-mean cluster concept that can help you to optimize the cluster using this method. Okay, so this is the thing, one by one we'll do, don't worry. So in today's class, we are discussing regarding Python. Next class we'll discussing regarding what it is, yeah, EDA using Python. Okay, we'll discuss it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. I can see some comment. Sir, can you give the overview of the Plotly? Okay. So Plotly is nothing but some uh, visualization things. You can use it. I'll showcase you when we'll work on it. Okay. Yeah. Anyone is asking some questions? Any more questions? Sir, you didn't explain about the set of the data type. Okay, you want to know the set data type. uh, uh, who is this guy? uh, Pavitra. Okay, so Pavitra, you want to know the whole data type or only set data type? Okay, so if you talking about the set data type na, so there is lots of data type we are discussing, like numeric, boolean, whatever it is. Okay, if you are talking about the square type, so in this case the string, list and tuple are coming. Okay. Any more questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Difference between matplotlib c1. Yeah, to sir. Actually, both is the uh, visualization tool. Okay, both have, sorry guys, individual purpose. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So Tushar is asking between matplotlib and cbon. So I am telling that there is basically both have a different purpose. Okay. So matplotlib is a also a library, and Seaborn is also a library. You can told that Seaborn, sorry, Matplotlib is the low level library, okay, that provide you the certain range of the plot, chart and figure, okay. And if you are talking about like Seaborn, na, so Seaborn is a like little bit high level library that can give you the top of the some design, okay, some overview, and it's also user friendly, so nothing else. You can do same work both. So it's a little bit low level and high level, that's all.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, Raptar, any more questions? Sir, could you recommend any specific source for learn Python? uh, Okay, Priyanka, don't worry. I hope you guys are aware of this, so that's why I'm doing very speed. That's why you are not boring. If you are not able to understand or if you have any question, na, I'll recommend after this class I'll prepare a little bit notes and give some recommendation so that you can easily understand. See, whichever I said, na, this is enough for basic understanding of the data analytics. If you do deep dive in Python, so it can help you to development things. Okay, I hope these things is quite enough for the data analytics things. But if you want to know, I'll after this class I'll share some notes. Okay, read it carefully and compile the things. It's very easy to know. Okay, got it,
Okay,
Priyanka?
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. um Tushar, okay sir, do you have a cover concept of oops data analytics? Easy, we can do it, but I think oops is not required for data analytics, encapsulation and all the things, the four pillar of the oops. It's helpful for development, but if you want to know, I'll add this also. Okay. Okay, I'll recap the things. Basically, you all know that like class and object are there, okay? But apart from this, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, and abstractions are there, okay? Um, okay, we'll create a notes and code that you can easily understand this. Any more question? So in next class, we'll learn how we can do the EDA things, okay? Uh, how we can do this, we'll learn. Any more question? If you have, feel free to ask me. Mm, no questions. We have time, guys. Please ask so that we can like interchange our thoughts. Okay, you people what thought. Okay, so I can understand. I hope in previous class all the things are clear, like whichever discussed regarding the Excel technique, pivot, and I am impressed with your work, like which way you are creating the dashboard. It's amazing. Okay, so different type of dashboard you are showing. I hope these things is clear for you guys. Not now. I will clear you the concept regarding the Python or all the things. So now tell me, Priyanka, I hope whichever I explain, you understand, okay? But for
Yes, sir.
more understanding, I'll give you a notes and the reference from here. For your interest, you can proceed, okay?
Yes, sir.
What about the other
Yes, sir.
students? If clear, gives a thumbs up for other students so that I can understand that it's clear for you guys also. Khushbu Taiba is giving, okay, that means it's clear. One people is raising hand. What is your issue? You can ask me. Yes, it's clear. Thank you guys for your feedback.
Yes, sir. And so, sir, please share the that notes you are talking about.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. After this class, I will share you with you guys the document also that can help you. Okay, guys, if you don't have any doubt, then I'll wrap up the session over here. In next class, we'll start with ED, okay, using pandas as Seaborn, whichever we need, okay, matplotlib. Clear, guys? Till now, you guys like do little bit research regarding how we can implement the project in better way. Like project 2, I'll giving you the overview also how you can do it, but start working a little bit from day one so that you can cope up easily all the things. Okay. Thank you guys for attending today's session. If you don't have any doubt or question, I'll close the session here. Okay, I'm here. If everything is clear, you can leave the session. If you have any question, you can still ask me. I'm here. Okay. I
Okay.
thought, yeah, Raftar, got it. I thought, guys, you are like pretty much familiar with it. If I ask fastly, then I go to like slow mode. Okay, that you can understand it better. But I understand, Priyanka. For you, I'll create a note and evidence, like a reference also, so that you can follow it. Okay, guys. Then we'll see you in next class. Thank you for attending the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks a
sir.
lot.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Hello.